Good day everyone. How are you today? My name is Mr. Chinoso. In today's class, we'll be looking at word problems on addition of capacity. Remember what we said about capacity? Capacity is the amount a container can hold. Good. With that, we can able to go through this exercise. In exercise 1, we have a teapot has a capacity of 10 milliliter. Remember we said the lowest unit for capacity is what? Milliliter. Is the lowest, like your teaspoon, like your teacup. It can be liter. Is below what? Liter is milliliter. So I'll go back again. Please listen properly. A teapot has a capacity of 10 milliliter. How many cups with capacity of 2 milliliter will fill the teacup? Now we want to know how this can be possible. Let's take this as our teapot and this is our cup. Now we have to measure some quantity of water here to fill this teapot. Remember, we don't know how many of these cups can fill this teapot, but we have to keep counting until we are able to fill this teapot before we can tell if it's 10, if it's 2, if it's 5 cups that can fill this teapot. So we do that on the board. Now I have solution here. Good. Now we have how many? We need what? We need this our what? Our teapot of, and this our what? Cup. So we have 10 milliliter, 2 milliliter. Now we want to fill this into this. Remember this is 2 milliliter. We have to get this how many? Let's see. 2 milliliter. First cup. Second cup. Let's add these two. If it's up to 10 milliliter. 2 plus 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. We add them up. Which is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 cups will give us 4 milliliter. It's not up to 10. So let's get another 2 milliliter what? So we have third cup. Add it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 milliliter. Wow, it's not up to 10. Let's go again. We have another cup. Fourth cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 milliliter. It's not up to 10. Let's add another cup, which is fifth cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Remember we are doing addition, so we keep adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 milliliter. Wow. Now we can say that we need 5 of these 2 milliliter to fill what? This teapot. Remember the first cup, 2 milliliter plus 2 milliliter gave us 4 milliliter. It's not up to 10. So we add another 2 milliliter, which is what? 6 milliliter. The third cup gave us what? 6 milliliter. It's not up to 10. We added another fourth cup, which is 2 milliliter of this. It gave us 8 milliliter. It's not up to 10 We added 5 cup, which is 2 plus 8 is 10 milliliters. So we need 5 cups. 5 cups will fill 10 milliliter tea pot. So 5 cups will fill 10 milliliter tea cup. So 5 cups of this will surely fill this. So we go to exercise 2. Let's look at exercise 2. Exercise 2 says that a jug has a capacity of 15 milliliter. A jug has a capacity of 15 milliliter. How many glass cup? You don't know how many glass cup? We will see that. How many glass cups with capacity of 5 milliliter will fill the jug? Remember, please listen carefully. A jug. This is our jug. It said what? It has a capacity of 15 milliliter. So the size of this jug is 15 milliliter. How many glass cup? We don't know the glass cup. So we need to keep pouring, and we count the glass cup we use in pouring. How many times did we use that? So with capacity of 5, we need to look for a capacity of 5, a glass cup of capacity of 5, so we can know how many times it can fill this jug. Remember, we have our solution. Now, first glass cup, 5 milliliter. We bring this another cup, second glass cup, 5 milliliters. So we keep adding until we can get to 15, we stop. So let's add these 2 glass cups, first and second. 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first 5, the second 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So addition means what? Bring them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 milliliters. While it's still below 15 milliliters. So we add another word, third cup. So we add another third glass cup, which is 5. Remember we said what? 5. So we keep adding 5 until we get to what? 15. So 0 plus 5, you have nothing here. You have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So nothing plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 here. Remember we have nothing here, so 1 comes down to give us. Now what we have here is that we need what? 3 cups, 3 glass cups to fill 15 milliliter jug. So we need what? 3 glass cups. So how many glass cups with capacity of 5 we fill the jug? So 3 glass cups with capacity of 5 we fill what? Jug of 15 milliliter. Please take note. We are working with what? 5 milliliter. So we need 3 of these 5 milliliter capacity to fill what? 15 milliliter capacity of this jug. So with this we go to the third word. Example, a cask has a capacity of 50 liters. This unit is bigger than this unit, milliliter. Please take note, liter is bigger than milliliter. So when we're looking at liter, we're looking at a very big container. A very big container, as big as this. This is measured in liter. This is measured in liter. So when you're looking at liter, you're looking at something big, like something bigger than this, like this. We want to look at how many gallons, the smaller word, can you use in getting your fuel or putting your oil. With capacity of 10 liters, we fill the cask. Now remember what? A cask has a capacity of 50 liters. That is the size, as big as the drum I just showed you. How many gallons with capacity of 10? 10 is smaller than 50. So that means this is a smaller container compared to this cask. So we want to know how many times we'll be pouring water or oil or any form of liquid in this cask. So now let's see this. Remember what we said? You use a smaller what? Capacity. You run through it. So the first gallon, remember we said what we are working with was the smaller capacity. So second gallon, so let's add this to if it will give us 50. If it gives us 50, that means we need just 2. But if it is not, we keep adding. So what is this? 0 plus 0, that's nothing plus nothing, we have nothing. 1 plus 1, remember 1 ball, 1 ball. 1, 2, gives us 2 milliliters. Is it up to 50? Good, it's not up to 50, we have to keep adding 10, 10, 10 until we arrive at 50 or something close to 50. Let's see another one. We have another what? Gallon, which is the third one. Third gallon. Remember, we have this. Nothing plus nothing. With 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 1. 1, 2. 1 ball. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 milliliter. Is it up to 50? No, we need another gallon, which is the fourth one. Fourth gallon. Remember, we are using just 10 all through. So don't get confused. We are using just 10, 10, 10 until we arrive at 50. We stop and count how many gallons we've used. 0 plus 0 is nothing, which is 0. 3 plus 1. 1, 2, 3. 1. So we have how many all together? Remember, we are doing addition all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, it's still not up to 50. So can we still add more? Yes, we can still add more. Let's see if we can add 1 or 2. This is what 5th gallon. Let's say this now. 0 plus 0. 0 is nothing. 4 plus 1. Let's see. Count 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count 1 ball. Good. So now we can add them together. Join them together. All together. Count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Wow. 50 50. Oh, we are looking at liters, sorry. 50 liters. 50 liters of this. We've gotten to our 50 liters. So remember, we are working with liters, not milliliters. So 10 liters plus 10 liters gave us what? 20 liters. 10 plus 10 gave us 20 liters. The first gallon and the second gallon gave us what? 20 liters. Now 20 liters is now up to 50 liters. Now we have the third one added to it. 20 plus 10, which is what? 30 liters. 30 liters is now up to 50. We add another one, the fourth gallon, which is what? 30 plus 10, which is 40 liters. It's still not up to 50 liters. And the fifth gallon, which is what? 10. 40 plus 10 gave us 50 liters. 50 liters. 50 liters. Now, we need how many gallons? We need just what? We need 5 gallons. We need just 5 gallons. We need just 5 gallons to fill what? 50 liters of what? Crust. You need 5 gallons to fill what 50 liters of what cask. So now take note of this. Remember, you have to use the smaller unit. Keep adding them until you arrive at the bigger unit or something close to it. Please, you must not exceed the capacity, because when you exceed the capacity, the water or the oil will flow out from the water, will flow out, and you have overflow. So now this is what we call addition of word problems in capacity. Remember, you'll be having more exercises to do at home. Please carefully read through it and know how to solve this gently and patiently. You will get it all. Remember to do your homework. Please do your homework. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.